Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you a tour of the Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay. And we are going to talk about a massive company out of the UK, Lagan Aviation and Infrastructure. They did the work to expand the runway here at the Sangster International Airport. They extended the runway and it's now the longest runway in Jamaica. And they are currently working on repaving the airport at the Norman Manley International Airport. Now, Jamaica has two international airports. Lagan Aviation has worked on both of them, the runways. We have a third one that the runway needs to be expanded to make it a real international airport. And chances are Lagan Aviation is a company that's going to do it. They plan to expand the Negril Aerodrome to become an international airport. And hopefully they've learned the lesson from the Ian Fleming International Airport upgrade, where they upgraded the airport but they never extended the runway. So it was really a waste. Or I shouldn't say waste. It never maximized the potential of the airport because the runway was too short to land the big planes. So chances are Lagan Aviation is going to be the company to extend all these runways. And with Vernon Field in Clarendon still in the mix, they would actually build an airport from scratch out there. And chances are it's going to be Lagan Aviation. Also, very curious, but Lagan is one of the 5 contractors shortlisted to work on the Spark program, which is to build roads in Jamaica. That program, they're going to spend 40 billion to build 2,000 roads in Jamaica. The roads are there already, they're just going to repave them and set them up. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on Lagan Aviation because they are a very important company in Jamaica because local contractors struggle to build roads in Jamaica. Can you imagine asking them to build a runway? It's just not going to happen right now, if it ever happens. So, Lagan Aviation and Infrastructure is a very important company in Jamaica. And the model that they use when they're working internationally is they partner with local contractors, which is the way the government wants the construction done in Jamaica, roadworks, those kind of things. They want to use local contractors to work with the foreign contractors. Now they've tried it on the Southern Coastal Highway where China Harbour Engineering Company worked with 10 local contractors, ended in a disaster. Didn't work. What Lagan Aviation, when they were doing the runway at the Sangster International Airport, worked with a local contractor and it worked great. There were no hiccups. The runway was built. There was some damage to it the other day, but I'm not sure the official cause hasn't come out. I mean, there are heavy planes landing on the runway. It could be just wear and tear. But in terms of the airports, the model seems to work with the foreign contractor working with the local contractor. Okay. Lagan Aviation and Infrastructure is a UK-based company specializing in airport construction and civil engineering projects around the world. They focus on delivering complex infrastructure works, including runway construction, resurfacing, and expansions, as well as associated airfield works like taxiways, aprons, and lighting systems. Lagan has worked on projects across multiple continents from the UK to Africa and the Caribbean. Their expertise spans various sectors including airside infrastructure, pavement construction, and defense works, among others. Lagan's portfolio includes major projects at international airports such as Sangster International Airport and Norman Manley International Airport in Jamaica, where they have worked on critical runway expansions and resurfacing projects to meet global aviation standards. The company often partners with local firms, providing a combination of international expertise and local execution, ensuring compliance with both safety regulations and environmental standards. Alright, so that's the end of the update article. So, Lagan Aviation, very important company when it comes on to these airports in Jamaica. Alright, guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.